Hi there, my name is Carter Smith. I'm an independent photographer and filmmaker working in the mining industry for the past several years, specifically gold and silver companies. I just wanted to take this opportunity to talk a little bit about the current markets and some of the volatility and uncertainty that we've been seeing there. Certainly a lot of this has to do with the debt ceiling debate and that whole circus and the subsequent S&P downgrade of U.S. debt. And as a result, we've seen the Dow Jones dropped the 12th largest amount that it did on Monday. Gold and silver have been shooting through the roof, especially gold in uncharted territories. And we're seeing a lot of organizations that are criticizing S&P for their decisions, sort of vilifying them almost and blaming them for this situation. And that's just not the way that I feel at all. Personally, I think that S&P made the right decision. They are a ratings agency. They have an obligation to decide through their own research methods, which is an entirely different debate if you want to bring those into question. But they have a mandate to decide what is, in their opinion, the best and safest investments for people. And in their opinion, sovereign debt with the United States just wasn't cutting it anymore. And I don't blame them for that. To the pundits that would say otherwise, I would simply point out to them that perhaps they would like S&P to handle this situation the way they handled the Enron situation, or more recently even the Bear Stearns situation. So in my opinion, the bottom line here is that regardless of S&P's decision, I think there were fundamental factors that were underlying that would have played out regardless of whether or not S&P had downgraded the U.S. debt. I think those are the real reasons that are driving the markets right now, and I think that S&P is being used as a scapegoat, quite honestly. I want to leave you guys with a quote here that I read that I think rings true today still. It's a Thomas Paine quote, and it's from Common Sense. It reads, "A long habit of not thinking a thing wrong gives it a superficial appearance of being right, and raises at first a formidable outcry in defense of custom. But tumult soon subsides. Time makes more converts than reason." I like this quote because I think there's a lot of parallels that can be drawn from it. I think the ratings agencies industry as a whole have spent years creating these superficial appearances of sovereign debt being AAA worthy and safe havens during times of crisis and that sort of thing. And a lot of people, as soon as they've, the rating agencies have realized that that might not be the case, a lot of these people are crying foul. And I think that their opinions there are originating less from a place of them truly believing that S&P has made the wrong decision, and more from the shock of having something that they saw as being a custom changed on them. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.